Hi guys, I am sorry about this crazy video, but I am literally sitting in the parking lot here at work. My lunch break is almost over, and I went to a local thrift store on my lunch break, and oh my goodness, look at the stuff I got. I cannot wait. And this is just a little portion of it. I have a huge bag in the floorboard of this kind of ribbon and stuff. It is a ton of vintage ribbons. I mean, it's a massive bag, and I paid, I think, $15 for the entire bag. It was a little bit more than I wanted to pay, but for these ribbons, I thought that it was worth it. Look at this, and I mean, they just feel amazing. And like I said, this is just a small portion that I'm showing you right here. So I've got all kinds of different vintage ribbons. I mean, like, guys, when I tell you I've got a ton, I'm not kidding. And then I picked up these. I picked up, oh God, I don't even know how many of these I got. And they were, sorry, I'm trying to move some of the ribbon out of the way. I got these for 25 cents a piece. And they're about smocking, but the pages are really nice and thick. And then look at some of these images in here. So I thought that these are going to be amazing for journals. I mean, the images in here are just stunning. Look at this. It's stunning. And this is just one book that I'm showing you. And again, I only paid 25 cents. Look at these images, and I do apologize for the shadowing and all. I was wanting to get this done and uploaded real quick so you guys could see it. I will be able to do a crafting video tonight when I get home, because I did get my tumbler station set up in the drawing room. And then it has like these patterns. Now it feels like these are regular paper, but I don't know. I'll see what kind of paper it is, if it's something that I can use. I mean, if nothing else, I'll use the paper. But again, like I said, I paid 25 cents a piece for these books. And when I tell you guys that they're amazing, I've never even seen these kind of books before. Look at that cute little girl. Oh my goodness, look how adorable she is. Look at the bunny rabbit image there. And look at everything on that page will be used in a journal. Every single piece of that. Oh, how adorable. Look, she's adorable. So, yeah. Anyway, I'm just sitting here going through this stuff. Look at this. How much fun is this going to be? This is what we will probably end up working with tonight, because I am ready to get into this. As you guys can see, I haven't even, oh, how cute. And again, I do apologize for the shadowing. Look at that. Now guys, my oldest daughter can do the smocking, and she does it all by hand. I wanted to show you a couple other things I got. Where are they at? I think I got way too many bags. Anyway, I got some Dr. Seuss books, and I got some little golden books, and I think I paid like 25 cents a piece for those. And I know that the Dr. Seuss books were like really old, as were the, oh, here's some of them. Here we go. Let me just show you guys really quick. Okay. So I got this. I think I paid 50 cents for this, maybe. And this one's not that old, I don't think. 1980. No, it's not that old. But, you know, it's a Dr. Seuss book, so it's wonderful. I got this to do a journal for one of my grandchildren. And then there were several of the little golden books. This one's 1988, so it's not that old, but it's a nice vintagey look to it. This one is 1948, guys. So this one is going to make a cute, cute, cute. Well, it says 1948, but it's got a barcode on it. I don't think it's that old. Now this one you can tell that it's pretty old, 1955. I love it, and it's in pretty decent shape. Let's see what this one, it has a barcode, so it can't be that old either. Let's just take a look. It's probably like 1980 something, yeah, 1984. And then same with this one, I'm sure, 1985. And then I got this one, it's a Dr. Seuss book, but it's a Thomas, and I'm going to do this from one of my grandsons. So anyway, guys, I'm going to get off of here. I've got to get in work, but I had to show y'all this. I could not wait to get home tonight to be able to show this to you guys. Oh, it's going to be so much fun. I got 22 magazines. Yeah, 22 magazines at 25 cents a piece. Oh gosh, they're falling everywhere. Do y'all see all the stuff? Oh God. Okay, I'll see y'all tonight. Bye, guys.